Check out this 1972 Pontiac Luxury Le Mans two-door hardtop. Don't see a lot of these around yet. This is only the second one that we have had in with the luxury package. Very nice car. This is actually a one-owner vehicle. That was a gentleman's wife's car, and he had it redone about 8 years ago because how much she liked this car, and she's now decided it's time to part with it. It's Monarch yellow with the black interior to it. Is powered by the Pontiac 350 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, equipped with air conditioning. So a very nicely equipped car, obviously with the luxury package. You have the vinyl top, riding on the Pontiac Motor Division rallies. When it was redone and repainted, they had some of the chrome work re-chromed, bumpers, what have you, rear quarters were replaced, and then repainted, new vinyl top, and it shows. This car, very, very nice. It was done approximately 8 years ago, but since then has not had a lot of miles put on it. So this car is ready to go. I mean, it's turnkey. Get in, turn the key, and go. There was some cracks in the dash. That's why it has the dash cover on it rather than replace the whole dash. So it is still the stock dash, and everything was a AM/FM CD player, I believe, added underneath the dash there. Otherwise, it still does retain the original radio and everything in the dash. So very original car that was brought back to its original color and options and equipment and everything. If you'd like to check out the underside, pictures of this, check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a good look underneath there. You can see the pans, frame, and everything. You'd also feel free to give us a call, too. If you'd like to call us, maybe check on transportation, inquire more details about this car, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Kind of cool with the fender skirts on there. Look how straight this car is up and down the side of it too. You can check out all the still pictures and check that out too. Very nice luster to the paint. Like I said, this car is turnkey. You could take it to roll-ins, your local cruise-ins, take it to shows, or just out for that Sunday fun drive. A few of the other things, when it was restored, did have a new gas tank put in it. Like I said, did do a lot of the re-chroming on it. Motor was also gone through, and again, this is approximately 8 years ago. They weren't sure exactly how many miles were put on it since then, but it wasn't a lot. They figured, if you put on 1,000 or 2 a year driving it, that's quite a bit for them. So I would guess no more than 8, 10, 12, 14,000 since this has been redone. And you can tell by the condition of it, obviously, from the paint. And check out those under the hood pics and trunk and interior. Again, those pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Should take a look at it on the video here also. Appears to be original door cards. Yeah, the carpeting's all nice in it. You can see the vinyls, not worn, ripped, or torn. Obviously, bench seat, fold down armrest. You can see where the rear speakers are put in the deck there. That aftermarket AM/FM seat, I believe it's CD player. We'll take a little closer look when we get in there. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it. Nice sounding car, got a nice little rumble to it. So easily it starts. Here's the, yes, it does have a CD player in it. Everything does work on it. It's a nice little aftermarket radio put in it, but once again, kept all the stock dash. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Headliner, everything's good in it. Nicely, the door closes and fits. Got a rumble coming out of the 350. Make a great driver quality car for somebody who want to have some fun. Enjoy some shows and cruise-ins. Here you go, 1972 Pontiac Luxury Le Mans two-door hardtop. Give us a call. 507-386-1726.